Hello students, how are you? Good morning. This is your geography class and I am your geography teacher from Town Hall Educational Society. Today we are going to solve our concept sheet and the topic is your population dynamics. The first question is your on political map of world show a too thickly populated area you color in red, and the second is your lowest birth rate in a pink color, just shade it in a pink color, and medium growth of population you shade it in a brown color. So I'm going to see you the solution here. I have also, you can see here, this is a world political map and I have also a world political map. Here you can see in a red color you can see too thickly populated area. We have lots of countries, but you just shade only two countries too thickly populated. The first one is your China, 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 and the second one is your Pakistan. Here you can see, here this is your Pakistan, this is your China, it is your Nigeria, 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 and this is your Thailand, Myanmar also. These are thickly populated area of the world. And now your second question was is lowest birth rate. Just do it in a pink color. I have pink color. This one, the all European countries, you can see here all European countries, there are birth rate. So you can write here France, Germany, Poland. These are all the European countries are your lowest birth rates, have lowest birth rate. And the C question is your medium growth of population. So medium growth of population, मेरे पास ब्राउन कलर नहीं था, so I do it in a blue color. You only use only brown color. This area, some parts of Alaska, USA, some parts of USA, here Guyana, sorry, this is your Guyana, and this portion is your Spain and Portugal. This is your Spain and this is your Portugal. So this is your Guyana, Guiana. So these countries are your medium growth of population. Now our second question is just match it. Overpopulated countries, dependent, and this you already studied in your chapter. So we have answer here. This is the solution. I am going to match it. Overpopulated countries, yeah, this is a very high, they have very high cost of living. जहाँ पे ओवर पॉपुलेटेड कंट्रीज़ होंगी वहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा होंगे और उनके लोगों की डिमांड्स ज़्यादा होंगी. सो दे हैव वेरी हाई कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग. एंड द डिपेंडेंट्स, always children and old people, children and old peoples are always depends on your parents. Yeah, you can say that on the young people. So and the C, you can see here, this is C, most thickly populated area is मैच विद रिवर साइड प्लेन्स. रिवर साइड प्लेन के पास में मोस्ट थिकली पॉपुलेटेड एरियाज में जो है ज़्यादातर रिवर साइड प्लेन्स जो होते हैं मोस्ट थिकली पॉपुलेटेड एरिया वहाँ पे रहते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड डी पोर्शन, नाउ इन 2048 you can see here, in 2048 your world population your world population will be 600 crores. Now the high birth rate is your thickly populated कंट्री. जहाँ पे भी जब भी हाई बर्थ रेट होगा तो पॉपुलेशन थिक हो जाएगा. एंड वेरी कोल्ड क्लाइमेट राउंड द ईयर, यहाँ पे हमेशा स्पर्श पॉपुलेशन होते हैं. यू कैन से दूर दूर इतने इतने डिस्टेंस पे हो इनके हाउसेस बने हुए होते हैं लाइक दिस. एंड थिकली में लाइक दिस ऑल द कंजस्टेड एरियाज called your thickly populated area. Now the third point is your, now you can see here, this is the question here. Give the name, just wait for a minute. Yeah, okay, now I am going to zoom it, that's why you can see it properly. Here, give names of river water is dash source. Beta, you can write here river water is an important source of fresh water, of FRESH, fresh water. This is your answer. So river water is an important source of fresh water. And the next one is imbalance of trade is dash import dash export. So I am going to tell you, normally such countries have to import more goods than they can actually export. This is lead to the imbalance of trade. So this is a example of, yeah, you can say that this is a main reason of overpopulation. This is a main reason of overpopulation. समझने के लिए, जब भी जहाँ पे ओवर पॉपुलेशन होगा वहाँ पे इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट जो है इम्बैलेंस ट्रेड में फॉर्म होते हैं. लाइक और यहाँ के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में यू कैन से दैट कि इम्बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड इज spending, SPENDING, spending more import than it makes an export. This is your answer. Spending, when imbalance of trade is spending more import, then it makes an export. Now the sixth question is your 6 countries having 60% of world population. आपको यहाँ पे 6 countries के नाम लिखने हैं. The first country is your China. Second is your India. Third is your America, USA, you can say that, and Brazil, 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 Pakistan, your neighbor country Pakistan, and another neighbor country is your Bangladesh. This is your answer and this is your solution. Here you can see it and just solve your concept sheet. Learn it, just revise your chapter and learn it, and stay in home, be healthy. Thank you so much.